A short history of the Internet. The Internet is one of the most important inventions in modern history because it changed how people live and communicate. It began in the 1960s as a project called ARPANET, created by scientists and the U.S. government. ARPANET connected only a few universities and military centers, but it showed the power of sharing information quickly. The goal was to make a system that could still work even if part of it was damaged. In the 1970s, new communication rules called protocols were created, making it easier for computers to connect. This early system became the foundation for today's Internet. In the 1980s, the Internet started to grow beyond government and university research. More institutions around the world joined, making the network larger and stronger. In 1983, the standard system called TCP/IP was introduced, allowing millions of computers to connect in a common way. Around the same time, domain names were created so people could use words instead of numbers to visit websites. This made the Internet easier for everyone to understand and use. It was no longer just a tool for scientists, but a global communication system. The 1990s brought the invention of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee, which changed the Internet forever. The web introduced websites, links, and browsers that allowed people to click and explore information. Businesses began to create websites to sell products and services to customers worldwide. Email became a popular way to stay in touch quickly and easily. Search engines were developed to help people find information faster than ever before. The Internet was becoming an important part of daily life. Today, the Internet connects billions of people across the world in almost every country. People use it to study, work, shop, and talk with friends and family in real time. Social media platforms allow instant sharing of photos, videos, and ideas. Online banking, streaming services, and video calls are now part of everyday life. The Internet continues to grow with new technologies like smartphones, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Its short history shows how a small project became one of the most powerful tools in human history. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.